Quiet on set. Action.
Hey Amber, how do you like your eggs? Sunny side up?
I like my eggs over easy.
Well, here you go.
Stop that, Benny.
¿Quién hizo esto? ¿Quién fue? No me importa, los dos se ponen a limpiar ahorita. No quiero que vuelva a pasar esto. ¿Quieren algo de la tienda?
No.
Soda.
¿Una soda? Está bien, mija. Yo ahorita te traigo algo. Como le digo, compa. Está, mija.
Gracias.
Hello, my name is Max. I'm from the Department of Food and Agriculture. Is the owner of the farm here?
No, but I'm his son. You can talk to me.
All right, thanks for letting me talk to you. I have a problem with how many animals in cages you have on this land. There's too many for the size of the land you have. You have 30 days to get rid of all these animals, all these cages. If you don't comply, you could have both a fine and go to court.
What do you mean all of the animals? There's enough space for them here. I don't see what the issue
It's
is.
the law, and you're breaking the law. So I'm giving you the paper now. You need to take care of this in the next 30 days.
This is ridiculous. We can't shut down the farm. We've been here since I was a baby, and now all of a sudden we have to get rid of everything. No.
You're not going to give Dad the note?
We're gonna hide the animals somewhere. I don't know. Don't worry about it. Nada, pa, nomás para decir que el rancho está en buena condición.
¿Estás seguro?
Sí, apa.
Today is the day they're gonna come and inspect the farm. What's your plan?
Calm down, I got this. Papá, está bien caliente si nos puedes comprar algo de tomar.
Tenemos mucho trabajo, hay que trabajar primero.
Por favor, papá.
Está bien, pues ahí te va. Gracias.
Amber, you gotta help me hide the animals. We still have some time.
No way, you're alone in this.
Fine then, I'll do it myself. Just don't come to me when you need my help, because you already know the answer. Okay, I think you've seen what you had to do. It's time for you to go.
I still need someone to sign these documents. Is that the owner?
¿Qué está pasando? ¿Dónde están los animales?
Sir, I need you to sign these forms that say you will not go over your animal limits again.
¿De qué está hablando, Benny?
I'm sorry about all this. I really wanted to keep the animals in our farm. Let us have a second chance, please.
Listen, kid, I get it. But what you did was wrong. You lied to your father. I can give you an extension, but the animals have to go.
Okay then.
Estás castigado, Benny. I love the farm too, and it's gonna hurt letting it go. Que sea la primera y última vez que haces eso.
Dad, I'm really sorry I lied to you. I shouldn't have done that.
Todo pasa por una razón, es otro capítulo de nuestras vidas. Les tengo una sorpresa. Este se puede quedar como mascota.